Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering tools and setting hair tension. Use one claw clip matched to your thickness, a comb, and an elastic if needed. This matters because clip size determines hold. Once comfortable, brush through and tilt your head forward slightly. This helps gather hair without tangles. Then form a loose palmful of hair at the chosen placement. For a secure half-up, take the top section only versus a full-up doe. Make sure the section is even. That balance prevents slipping later. Next, you create the twist and anchor the clip. Twist the gathered section 1 to 2 full turns to build bulk. This gives the clip teeth material to bite into. Once twisted, lift the twist to your chosen spot and open the clip wide with your free hand. Do this quickly to avoid the twist unwinding. Then place the clip teeth over the twist, positioning teeth toward the scalp so they capture both hair and twist. Make sure the base of the clip sits flush against your head for stability. Finally, you close and test the hold. Snap the clip closed firmly until you feel resistance, then shake your head gently to check stability. If you notice slipping, make adjustments. Retwist the section tighter to increase friction, or tuck stray hairs with a bobby pin to prevent sliding. If the clip still moves, reduce weight by releasing a small bottom section. Lighter loads hold better. Remember, one quick tweak often fixes all. Try a single reposition or a tighter twist before changing clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.